It's like the forest for the trees. If a tree falls and I'm not there, is a piece of me fallen also? I can picture, I can imagine, I can worry, is it okay? As if I mean anything to this magnificence, this balance, has no need of me the observer, the righteous, the modifier, the artificial designer. I know disconnection. I feel it. I see it. It is obvious to me. Our future, like some bubble universe, will be more alien than we foresee, extracted from our original essence. The control we seek drives us, but at what cost? Will we destroy this habitation? Will Goldilocks celebrate her zoning? Or shall we break the chair of benevolence, devour the porridge of our children, and leave only the bowl dusty in remembrance?
Why would I give this up?